Teenage skin can be tricky. Wait, scratch that. Teenage life can be tricky. Between never ending assignment deadlines and begging to stay out far into the midnight hour, somewhere along the way, we started worrying about breakouts as well. For all the desi moms that may say obsessing over your skin isn't good and you're too young, it's never too early to start. Skincare will only benefit you. There are no side effects to caring for your skin. Around the age of 12 or 13, with all the challenges of being a newly celebrated teenager, what you will most certainly need is the relaxation of a nightly and a morningly, if that's a word, skincare routine. Skin can start showing signs of aging as early as the age of 25. So it's a must that you have a skincare routine set in your teenage years itself. Don't get blinded by all the options and trends out there. There are only a few daily essentials you actually need in your teen skincare routine. Cleanser or face wash is obviously your number one pick. We don't need to tell you that clean skin is good, right? Now, what you need to know is what kind of face wash you need. If your skin is on the oilier side, use a foaming cleanser. If your skin is on the drier side, use a cream-based cleanser. Toner is usually mentioned as an essential part of a skincare routine, but honestly, if your skin isn't very oily or acne prone, you can give this step a skip. Moisturizer. This isn't for people with dry skin only. If your oily skin doesn't receive enough hydration, it's going to get tricked into thinking that it needs to be producing more oil. So if you want to avoid ending up looking like a delicious, fresh, fried pakoda by the end of the day, you know what to do. Sunscreen is such a huge, absolute necessary must. I cannot stress this enough. This is definitely not an optional step. I know it doesn't look like a sturdy, visible shield protecting you from the sun, but trust me, what's better, applying sunscreen daily or drooping skin like your dearest canine pet? As a skincare hoarder myself, I completely get the feeling of applying a luxurious serum and beautifully dripping it on your cheeks. But please, my teen friends, your skin simply doesn't need this yet. Serums are basically a very concentrated collection of ingredients that target specific skin concerns. If you have dark spots or pigmentation at this stage, don't panic. Your skin can handle it without outside assistance for now. Eye cream is one thing that you can probably skip until the age of 20. This is an anti-aging product mainly. Since you're still in those lucky baby soft skin years, you don't need to be applying eye cream just yet. Now we come to the weekly pampering and sleepover skincare category. Let's talk about exfoliation. There's a lot of talk about AHAs and BHAs and acids and so much more. Yes, this all sounds cool and scientific, but don't be disheartened when I tell you your skin doesn't need all this just yet. A simple DIY or store-bought scrub will be enough for you to exfoliate with once a week. Face masks are another hot topic in skincare. Again, you don't need to apply a face mask nightly. This skin pampering can also be a weekly thing. Some DIY masks like gram flour, yogurt and turmeric for oilier skin and honey and banana for drier skin can be simple ones for you to start with. But don't worry, you will never feel a lack of new masking recipes. We at Glamorous have always got your back. This was basically lesson 1 of your new favorite online class, Intro to Teen Skin, with I hope your new favorite teacher, me. Stay tuned for a whole lot of skincare and beauty videos for teens coming your way. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.